Good evening, YouTube. This is Killian String coming at you with something a little different, maybe a little fun. And as an experiment, after what I had seen on channel Iridium 242 when he was testing an ultraviolet or UV light to see how it would shine in a dark space and react to certain things. Oop, and there went my cat. I don't know what she was after, but I'm going to leave that in. Yeah, that's just Mila. But anyway, I had sent him one of my homemade channel stickers, and I use a particular orange marker on it, a neon highlighter type, and as it turns out, it reacts to UV light. And so what I decided to do, I've found a few markers that are like that neon in several colors, some the same brand, some a few different. And since I have 3 blue lights, 2 that I knew to be ultraviolet because that's how they were labeled, and 1 I did not know until I just now tested it. So what I'm going to do is I have the light off so that I'll turn the light on to show you what lights I have. This is that Borerit monster headlamp that I tested at the May Iowa YouTuber meetup in 2018. So it's got 2 white modes, and then there is ultraviolet, and then off. And then my i3 UV EOS, which just has the ultraviolet. The lighting in here is a weird color, so the light will not look like it does to my eyes, and it may not show up well on camera, the reaction on the different colors that I have on this card. And then I have this light that did go to one of the locks on my trike, which got vandalized, but it has a little light on it, so that is also blue light. And when I was testing it out on the various colors that I have here, it was making them glow. So now I'm going to do, I turn off the light. There is light coming in from elsewhere in my apartment. I'm doing this in my bedroom. So this is that little key light. As you can see, some of the colors look super bright. Some of them do not fluoresce. And I put a few colors up there that are not fluorescent as kind of a control. So you can see like the yellow, the pink, the orange, and the green look like they are lit up. Okay, that was the little keyring light. Now I'm going to grab my i3 UV EO, so its light is a lot brighter. So as I aim down, you can see that you can see that the lights, the colors that are fluorescent, but not, they will not glow. These are not glow in the dark markers. They just fluoresce. They look, they look really, really bright, and the yellow and green almost look like they're the same color on a couple of the brands of the markers that I have. So I'll turn that one off. And now I will turn on. Now for this one, for some reason, this light here where my pinky's at, that's a little dimmer than this one here. But as you can see, they're making the colors that are truly fluorescent. They will react and look brighter than they would in normal light. And the colors that are non-reactive, they just look dark. So if you have one of these markers that fluoresce, this is one way to test if you have a true ultraviolet light, is with these markers that will fluoresce. And you can tell if you have a true ultraviolet light. Now another thing that I'm going to do, and I also figured this out, is I'm going to go in here. I'm going to shut off my kitchen light to cut down. This is glow-in-the-dark tape here. Watch what it does. I'll take it away. UV light will make glow-in-the-dark tape glow super bright. And I'll come back into the bedroom. And I will show that I can do that. Let me turn this off. I'm going to grab these others. And I'm going to do the same thing. I will hit this. Now this one might need a new battery because, see, it still glows. There we go. Now take it away. See that spot, how bright it is? And now I have this Borat light, this headlamp. I'm going to turn it like this so that the lights are kind of like, this is the brightest. As you move it up and down, it glows. It really makes the glow-in-the-dark tape go nuts. So now to turn it off. There, so I have another piece of glow-in-the-dark tape here on this cart. I'll take it away. Even with the light from the ceiling, you can see how that glows. So just thought I'd show you this little experiment. Two things that you can do with the ultraviolet light, and one way to test to see if you have a true ultraviolet light with that color card that I made up. So just thought I'd show you this just for fun. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the flip side.